Good morning, guys.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you? Hamila, turn on your camera. Please don't make me remind you again. As soon as you join, your camera should be on. So, assembly program. Are you guys ready? Before that, did you see your marks? Written marks, your normal marks in your classrooms? Teachers have updated it. Assessment.
Yeah,
Did you check it?
yeah,
How is it? Are you happy?
yeah. I have good marks. Not that bad.
Good. What about Milan? Amila? Okay. Look, some of the questions are missing, Amila. You didn't do it? Questions are missing entirely from your sheet.
Now today's a riddle program.
Yeah, we are going to do the program. One second, Amila. What happened? Some of the question answers were missing.
What?
You didn't check the comments, did you?
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, Milan.
The riddle's about the riddle. I made a riddle. It's about animals.
It's not
No,
riddle,
yeah,
it's
disease.
quiz. Not
Yeah,
riddles, quiz.
yeah, quiz
Who will
about
answer first?
diseases, right? Diseases.
Yes.
Can I present first?
Yes, Haya, go ahead.
Ma'am, I want to present last.
Okay.
No, I want to present last.
Haya first.
No, I want to present last. You said too late. Thought of the day. The COVID 19 pandemic has demonstrated that infectious disease know no borders. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, go to the next page. What is there on the next page?
Next page is for like other thoughts.
Just go one more. Let's do one more.
Uh,
Have you made
uh,
it?
I
Is that
haven't made.
good job, Haya?
I made this one and this one.
Respect all animals
And it will respect you back.
and it will respect you back. Good job. Thank you. Okay, Amila, your turn.
Ma'am, I tried to make yesterday, but I
Did you
slept
make it or
very,
not? Yes or no?
I slept very early, so I didn't make.
Okay, but a black star definitely. Milan? Definitely. Milan? Go for it, Milan.
Tell all other students to don't just let them see mics. Please.
All other students to close their eyes. We are doing it for everyone, right?
I want to show to everybody.
Close your eyes for 2 minutes, everyone. Let's close our eyes.
How am I supposed to wait? Can I settle on for 2 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
2 minutes means we don't have that much time, okay?
Yeah.
Until that, I'll add Haya's star there. Good job,
Ma'am,
Haya.
tomorrow I will do. Then you need to remove my black star.
Your black star will be removed, but a new star cannot be added.
Aya, have you finished the thought of the day? Huh? The
Yes.
thought of the. Yeah, I finished it and I presented it now. God. Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Samila, you can say something.
Did you give me the golden star for the other thought of the day?
That was previous theme, right? Previous theme, everything is removed. Now we are
Oh,
starting with new theme. See, everyone has right now, everyone are on zero. You have one. Amila will get a black, but you have one.
Melon already got one black star, right?
This theme? No.
Yeah, Melon got a black star from Lazel.
He got a black star from Lazel. I'll talk to Lazel. Let's see what Lazel has to say. What did Milan do?
Lazel puts me and Amila on the for like. Not you both, not me. I did not even did anything.
Milan, if you are not presenting today, you know it's a black star, right?
Ma'am, I want to show and tell everybody comes, please.
No. Then I'll put a black star and I'll remove it tomorrow when you're sharing it. Sounds good?
Deal.
That means you won't get additional star. It's the same. Your star count will become 0. If Jaya presented today, she got a star. So she has.
Tomorrow I will add a golden star. Tomorrow you have to add a golden star. No, that can't happen. If you remove the black star, then you'll be left with nothing.
0. It's a count 0. Like that's happening with Amila today.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, I'm.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Maya.
You know what, the day that you told about the thought, I already, when you were talking about it, I already took it from the Google and pasted it in Canva. So I don't wait. For the quiz of the day, ma'am, my quiz of the day, it's about infections and diseases.
Yes, I guess you didn't make it because you're asking me the question.
No, I finished it, but half of it it's quite not done.
Did you prepare your activity for assembly?
This is going to be long. Infections and diseases.
What are you supposed to do today? Ayman is supposed to do the news today.
Ma'am, I already made it.
No, Ayman, we decided yesterday this theme. Listen to the class okay? Haya presented the thought. Milan was supposed to do the quiz.
Amira, mute your mic.
Was supposed to share information regarding the diseases and microorganisms. You were supposed to do the news. Did you do it?
Ma'am, last time also you made you do the news.
I mean, that was last theme. This Monday we started new theme, right? Theme 8.
Yes.
So our star count became 0. Everyone were on 0. So though yesterday I told you have to do an assembly program. Each theme you have to do minimum 2 assembly program.
Yes.
So yesterday you got news. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Did you prepare it?
No.
Yeah, good job, Haya. So proud of you.
I prepared it the day that you told me. I just took it when you were telling me, and then I just put it so that I don't forget it. Easy. So next time the assembly programs, I'll just take thought of the day because I have a Canva for thought of the day.
You cannot take thought of the day all the time. You know that, right?
Then I'll do a quiz.
So, Ayman, you get a black star today. You, Amila, Milan, all 3 of you are getting a black star because you didn't do it. Tomorrow, if you are doing it, that black star will be removed.
But you will get no golden stars.
Yeah,
just
you will not get no golden stars.
How come you got a golden star? Because I presented it on time.
She did it on time. Punctuality matters, right? So she has, or we can do one thing. I'll add black star to everyone. You have the option if you want the black star removed or if you want a golden star.
Wait, no, that isn't fair. I didn't do anything like that.
No, Haya, still the count will be same. At the end of the theme, if you are counting, this count will be same. 1 black star minus 1 golden star. So count will be same. It doesn't affect your performance. Don't worry. You will still be on the
list. So nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen, yes. But for looking presentation, it will stay like that.
Oof.
I mean, tomorrow present the news, okay? Also, I mean, did you check your scores, everyone? Did you check your scores? You got comment where you lost the score and why you lost the score. Correct answer is also given in your comment. If you check. So do that, okay? Which is your first hour? Who's coming in the first hour?
Recreation.
You have to go there or ma'am will come here?
I don't know. Wait, recreation? I thought it only... Ma'am, I thought it only starts on Wednesday, not Friday.
Do you have PYA recreation?
I have recreation. Let me check if anybody's there. Yeah, kids are there. Bye, ma'am.
Go, 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 go. Bye, Mittal.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye. Good job, Maya.
Bye, ma'am.